As an academic researcher, how critical are grants and support from sources like the Longer Life Foundation in driving your success?
Oh, these grants are instrumental in getting new research areas off the ground because they really provide the seed money to test the novel hypothesis and delve into areas that traditional sources of funding often are not willing to pursue yet because the idea might not be considered robust enough. And so I think this is a very good example for us to promote this idea, to get the preliminary data, to then pursue a larger grant. I've always been interested as a young kid already, as an adolescent, in healthy lifestyle, exercise and physical activity. It wasn't really until I had an opportunity to come as a student to the University of Texas in Galveston that I really got excited about this field and learn about the research one could do to further understand what health promotion could do, the mechanisms involved in promoting a healthy lifestyle. So I had the opportunity to work with an excellent group of people there to then pursue my Ph.D. And this really one thing led to another. I came to Washington University and I continued this type of research here.
So you're focusing research outcomes both on prevention as well as treatment.
Once metabolic or any alterations manifest, we're interested in how can we treat that. Cancer risk is tightly associated with obesity as well, and in part we don't really understand the mechanisms. In part it could be because of the excess fat, in part it could be general lifestyle factors. It could also be the way the obesity affects cellular metabolism to make them grow into cancers. And so I think this will be a rich opportunity for future research to find out how these links manifest.
So you see potentially diet and nutrition as really becoming part of the either prevention and or therapies for cancer, potentially.
Diet, physical activity, nutrition, both for prevention and treatment will be very important.
We know the rate of overall mortality improvement has been slowing over the last few years, and specifically due to slowing of cardiovascular improvement. What impact do you think that diabetes and obesity may be playing in that slowdown of cardiovascular improvement?
I think it is an important area now because we have reduced the risk a lot through smoking cessation, treating hypertension, for instance. So the remaining risk, I think there is a lot of it is due to diabetes and obesity, and I think this is for us to tackle now.
Tell us a little bit about your current research project that is being funded by the Longer Life Foundation. What are you hoping to accomplish with it?
So our research project currently supported by the Longer Life Foundation focuses on the impact of high protein intake on the risk of diabetes as well as atherosclerosis. And I think this is an often overlooked potential risk that we haven't tackled because the focus has been so far on removing fat from the diet, shying away from carbohydrates, and then promoting protein. But we do ignore the fact that too much protein consumption could actually increase the risk of the diseases we are trying to prevent by cutting down on fat and carbs. Our goal is, one is longevity and the other one is a healthy lifespan to really have people reach an older age with optimum function, both physical and including metabolic function, to be out and about and enjoy life.